Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be about this amazing hair that I got from a company called To All My Black Girls, located in London. This is the package and it comes with 2 packs. Both of them have 7 clips each. The first pack is 20-inch and the second one 22. You can already see how full the hair is, but it is recommended to wash it first. So before use, I'm going to wet and brush the hair. It looks so beautiful and feels so soft already. Then I'm going to co-wash it using my Herbal Essence conditioner. Rinse it off and use a piece of cloth to wrap the hair. And once it is damp, I'm going to use my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner and apply just a little amount. Then let it air dry. Here is how the hair looks: full, very soft, and more manageable. Moving on to installing, the video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch. Here is the final look. I love how the hair feels and it doesn't feel heavy at all. I used about 9 to 10 clips because you already know how I love having a lot of volume, and I still had 4 clips left, so this hair is definitely a must-have. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye.